I am no longer driving this Jeep truck. Please. I'm not allowed here. I'm not allowed to drive a truck Jeep. I'm leaving the truck here.
I know South Africans are going through a lot. First of all, apartheid, the end of apartheid did not end their struggles. In fact, it made them worse because they could now see themselves being oppressed by the black men just behind the white men, as it was during the time of apartheid. Most of the people that shot black people and killed them, they are not per se white soldiers, but they are black soldiers who were sent to do these acts because they were serving their masters. But now the face has been changed. The black person is now representing the white person behind, but in the form of economic repression. What am I saying? You have a problem that was not solved by apartheid. In Zimbabwe, we had a problem that was not solved by independence. The problem is land. And the same problem we still have. You still have the same problem. We're in the same boat. Go to Malawi, go to Zambia. It's still almost the same thing. The properties that are owned in Africa by foreigners, the numbers are so ginormous of multinational companies that own properties in our land. So in essence, we're still fighting amongst each other. But the only way is the white man has pulled himself out and has allowed us to fight amongst each other, which is rather unfortunate. So fighting for this man so that he can leave that truck will not guarantee employment. And fighting this man that you beat him up or maim him or either kill him, you are actually sowing the seeds of violence into the future. Because some African countries are going to become better and South African economy is going down. What is going to happen to your kids that are graduating now, those that are going into matric now, those that are still in grade 5 or grade 6? What happens once they are finished with high school? Are they going to find employment? How are you going to create employment if you are failing to create employment for the people that have finished school now? So you are not going to solve this problem. The problem needs all of us to fight the common enemy. And unless we are prepared to do that, I can tell you, we are going nowhere as Africa.